Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn with Zarina Raza. Good morning, namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal, whatever you feel better. Friends, today I am going to tell you a very interesting topic, transpiration. Let's learn what is transpiration. Transpiration is the biological process by which water is lost in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plants. Friends, transpiration is the process of losing water from the surface of the leaf through stomata. Transpiration helps a plant in cooling the leaves and transporting the nutrients. Friends, do you know why plants do transpiration? Plants do transpiration because plants need a small amount of water. And when plants have excess water, then plants start losses water through leaf called transpiration. The process of transpiration occurs through leaves because leaves have a specialized structure called stomata. The stomata have pores in their structure so that water lost from the stomata take place. Friends, have you seen water droplets on the leaves? I think you all have seen water droplets on the leaves. And friends, as you can see in this diagram how transpiration takes place. First, roots absorb water from the soil. Then the stem draws up the water up. And then unused water evaporates from the leaf surface. I hope children you all have understood about the transpiration. Thank you.